Oh, happy day, my friends. Happy day. My Sam's Bead box for January came. It looks like it's called Wild Sky. I'm so happy to open up this box. So if you want to open this box with me, pull up a chair so we can make something beautiful. This is my first time opening this box. Let's see what's in here together. Okay. So we have our handy dandy note. Oh, okay. So this box was curated by Brittany Chavers. So that's going to be nice. She's from Turquoise Street on YouTube, and she says, Wild Sky. There's something extraordinary about the expanse of an Arizona sunset. As the sun begins to dim, vast mountains become silhouettes, and the sky is illuminated by fiery swaths of colors. I'm not going to read all of this, but I think that's a great start to give us an imagination about what could possibly be in this box. I'll continue to read this on my own. Okay, so let's go in here. Look in here. They always give us candy. I like that. Okay, so let's see. Every time it's come so nicely wrapped like this, and I've opened it and tried to rewrap it, it never works. It's always so perfectly done. See what we've got here. This is exciting. It says on here that I'm going to get on the back, it has this handy dandy card which tells you what's in here. So it's also a way for me to double check to make sure that I've gotten everything. And they separated by the brass components, and there's an additional section, and then there is the stranded section. So let's see what we've got going on. Let's go through the stranded section first, because that's the one that I'm going to have to read through the list to see what's here, and the rest of them have labels. So let's see. The first strand is a carved bicone orange silk bronze, 10 by 11, 6 pieces on this strand. Yeah, here it is. Oh my goodness. And so the camera makes this look like it's more yellow than it is. I wonder if I can change that to see if you. Um, it's really an orange color, right? And it's more the camera makes it look kind of yellowish orange, but really it's orange, like like an orange. Okay. Then we have Candy Jade Smooth Round Orange dyed, and 6.5 millimeters, a 9.5-inch strand. So that would be this one. That one is a lot closer on the camera to what it is. It's very pretty. Very pretty. And then we have a check glass fire polish round matte sunflower yellow opal in a 4 millimeter, and it's 40 pieces per strand. Let's see. Those are nice. These are definitely like the Arizona desert type colors for sure. We have a Candy Jade Smooth Rondelle Yellow dyed right here. This is Candy Jade. I like Candy Jade. Very nice. Yeah. Very nice. Very smooth. I don't have enough rondelles in my inventory. We have a check glass fire polish round purple lined clear crystal 8 millimeters. Let's see, let's find this one. It says, let me make sure I'm reading it right. Check fire polish round purple lined clear crystal. Here it is. Until I thought it was a strand in there. I didn't see the crystal part. All I saw was the purple in the inside. Well, isn't that awesome? This is so cute. I hope they have extras of these. I would love to get several of these. I've never seen anything like that. What in the world is in there? Kind of looks like a purple rope. Let's see. We have a fairy tale flower, purple fuchsia crystal AB. That would be this one. Yeah, that's lovely. I have some of those, not this color, but I do have some of those flowers. A melon, purple, fuchsia crystal. Yeah, look, that goes really well together. Then we have the marquee oval, neon fuchsia AB. Can you ever get enough of these marquee beads? They're so gorgeous. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. And then you have check glass fire polish round neon fuchsia AB 5 millimeters. Okay. These go so well together. They match so perfectly together. And then we have the, let's see, that's 25 on the strand. Then we have the Candy Jade Star Cut Round Pink. Quite a few Candy Jades in this one, which I like. I do love that cut. That star cut is awesome. Awesome. And then we have the hematite Q beads. These ones are a matte bronze synthetic. I can hear my son up there. Very nice. These are greatest spacers. And they really pull this whole color palette in. And then, of course, it wouldn't be designed by Turquoise Street without a little turquoise. She put in here a smooth rondelle, light blue turquoise. Right? Look at that. It wouldn't have been designed by Turquoise Street without it, I'm sure. Okay, so in the additional selection, let's see what we've got here. Let's start with this pendant. We have an Aqua Terra Jasper Pear Drop Brio, dyed purple, and it's 28 by 45 millimeters. You cannot tell that this is purple. I mean, at least I can't tell in the camera. It looks blue. I'm trying to adjust the light to see if I can make the purple come out. Does that help at all? It still kind of looks blue to me. That didn't help with the color at all. I don't know what my son is at the problem now. Huh. Okay, I won't keep messing with the light. I'll leave it alone. But it's purple. It's really purple. It's not blue. I wonder if your television can show that that's actually purple. We have some check glass Druck rounds and Sunset Crackle Mix. I don't know if you've ever watched my Is It Worth It series, but this is one of those bead boxes that I definitely believe is worth it. I definitely do. I've never had a Sam's bead box that I was not satisfied with, and that's a fact. This is a check glass eye matte amethyst purple AB. The size is 10.5 by 13.5 millimeters. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. They're like little evil eyes. I've never really been into evil eyes, but these are cute. Then we have check glass freeform tubes. They're large hole, which is great. So that means that we can use them with like a leather necklace, you know, put them on a leather necklace, use it with a leather bracelet, do some barrel knots with them. Those are nice. They're matte and they have like a shimmer to them. Yeah, kind of looks like it's magenta almost, that color. And then we have some table cut butterflies in orange and silk Picasso and turquoise pink. Yeah, lovely, lovely. Okay, so I'm seeing bracelet with this. Why? Because I want to look at these all the time. You know, these are the types of beads that you want to look at. They're not for anybody else. They're for you, really. Okay, some long brio drops in turquoise. Yeah, these are 5 by 12.5 millimeters. There's 20 of these. They're side drilled, they're smooth, they're shiny. Yeah, I have a feeling that I'm going to see a lot of people making necklaces with those. And we have the Sun Coin, yellow opal copper, 22 millimeters. Just one of those in the bag. Yeah, you know what it looks like? It looks like Werther's, Werther's the little hard candy with a sun on it. It's so pretty. Flower Power Neon Fuchsia AB, 18 millimeters. I don't have enough 18 millimeter flowers, so this is great. They're nice and big. These would be nice little earrings by themselves. You don't really need to put anything with them, but you can. I mean, I try to make wearable jewelry. I know statement jewelry is the in thing for a lot of people. I'm a minimalist, and that's okay. And I like to make jewelry that's wearable all the time. I wanted people to reach for my jewelry often. Ornate heart charm in raw brass with stamps. It is stamped on the front. I would say this is the front because it's indented on this side, and it is beautiful. See, these are earrings all by themselves. I wouldn't make this a pendant. I would make this earring. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Then you have some little flowers that can go on top if you wanted it. Right? Isn't that cute? You didn't want the flowers. Let's see what you can do. Maybe you can figure out a way to get this evil eye on top. It's side drilled this way, but there's something that can be done to get that on there. Hmm? Very cute. And then we have a cactus charm. Yes, love. Let's put the net on this side. Cactus. Oh, my daughter would love these. She's a cowgirl. She would love these. And then we have the North Star charm. We have 6 of those. I love that they give you such quality metals. I've never gotten anything from them that's metal that I thought was cheap. And then you have these 2 Tucson sun links. Look at that. I'm telling you, I really believe that Sam's Bead box is worth the price. This is it from the box, no extra bead mixes or anything like that. But each time I get this box, I am impressed. I'm always inspired. I always feel like I've gotten what I paid for, right? Versus getting some boxes, which I get often. And although I do love the boxes, I have a, a different feeling with them, which I think I mentioned to you in another video that I go by. But this one, it's always quality. I'm very happy to get this box, and I love how everything was curated here. So the next step for me would be to figure out what I'm going to make with the box. I will do it in a different video, not this one. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, go and make something beautiful. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.